Wait, don't scroll! Are you tired of using boring editing tools that take hours to get simple results? Well, today I'm going to show you something mind-blowing. This is not just another AI tool. This is your new creative assistant that can generate HD images, create talking avatars with lip sync, swap outfits, and even turn a photo into a full video, all with just a few clicks. Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, it's 100% real and 1000% easy. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, designer, or just someone who loves AI, this tool will completely change the way you create. Let's explore this magical website, SellerPic AI. It's truly amazing and can be life-changing. You can edit anything, clothing, accessories, literally anything. Yes, I mean anything. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything step by step. First, take a look at the homepage. On the left side panel, the first option you'll see is Inspiration. Click on it, and you'll find a wide range of images to spark your creativity. You can download them, edit them, and use them however you like. They look amazing. You'll also see categories such as clothing, accessories, jewelry, shoes, and electronic items. These images are perfect for creating videos or commercial ads. Now let's move to the Instruct Edit section. Here, you can edit any image or even create a brand new one just by typing your prompt. Simply enter your idea and watch the magic happen. Don't worry, I'll guide you through everything. This is just a small introduction, so stay with me. Next, you'll see the AI model image section. Wait, this part is very important, so please don't skip the video. In this section, you can generate high-quality model images by simply describing what you need. Whether it's for fashion, ads, or social media content, you can create realistic, professional-looking models wearing specific outfits or accessories, all with just a few words. It's like having your own virtual photoshoot studio right at your fingertips. So stay tuned. What I'll show you next will take your content creation to the next level. Let's start with the editing section. I typed the prompt, "A cute young girl in a green suit with pink hair walking outside by the river," and clicked on Generate. It usually takes about 1 minute and then, boom! The result appears. The image looks incredible, perfectly matching the prompt with stunning high-definition quality. And yes, you can download it in full HD. No worries about resolution or pixelation, it's a clear, crisp image just for you. Now, let's try editing this image. I uploaded the same picture and simply typed, "This girl is wearing glasses." Within moments, boom! Haha, sorry, that's just my habit. But seriously, the edit was done instantly. No need for any editing software, no wasted time. Just type your prompt, click enter, and the magic happens automatically. Now let's move into a very important section, the AI image model tools. On the left-hand panel, you'll see 3 powerful features: Virtual Try-On, Accessories, Virtual Try-On, Apparel, Swap Fashion Model. First, let's explore Virtual Try-On, Accessories. In this section, you can change any accessory on the model, like earrings, necklaces, or sunglasses. For example, I uploaded a photo of a girl wearing earrings. On the right side, you'll see many accessory options. I just clicked on a random earring image and hit Generate. In about a minute, the tool replaced the original earrings with the new ones, perfectly adjusted and super realistic. And again, boom! Haha, I know. I always say that, but it really is that good. Please don't mind. Now let's try Virtual Try-On, Apparel. Here, you can change any clothing item, tops, bottoms, or full outfits. I uploaded a model photo and wanted to change just the top. I selected another model's outfit from the options, clicked Generate, and within a minute, the top was swapped with the new design. You also have a pose variation option. In this section, you can choose from multiple pose styles like full view front, close-up front, side pose, and many more. Just select the pose that fits your need, click on Generate, and the AI will create the perfect image based on your selected pose and input. It's fast, simple, and gives you total control over how your character or product is displayed. Perfect for thumbnails, posters, or marketing visuals. Finally, let's try the Swap Fashion Model feature. This function lets you swap one model's face with another model shown in the tool. For example, I uploaded a model photo and selected a new face from the available options. Then I clicked Generate, and just like that, the model's face changed flawlessly. It looked natural, professional, and totally real, without needing any advanced skills or spending hours editing. So, what are you waiting for? Give these tools a try. They'll transform your images, boost your content, and save you tons of time. Let's go! Now let's move into the AI product section. In this section, you can change the product in hand, product in Spotlight, and even lifestyle scene images, all without any professional tools. It's incredibly easy and super smart. Just a few clicks, and your product visuals are ready to go. Now let's jump into my favorite part, the AI video tool section. Yes, I know you've been waiting for this, and don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's start with the lip sync feature, and I'll show you exactly how it works. I uploaded a random image, and on the right side in the video prompt section, I entered a simple prompt. Then in the audio section, I typed the text I wanted the avatar to speak. I clicked Generate, and within seconds, boom!
Hey man, this is Q Tech Studio. Hey man, this is Q Tech Studio.
Yes, total boom! The avatar started talking, and its lips matched the words perfectly. It looked so real, like actual lip sync from a human actor. I tried it again with the same prompt without changing anything, and guess what? Oh my god, the result was just as amazing. It seriously looks like a real person talking. Mind-blowing.
Hey man, this is Q Tech Studio.
Next, let's try the image to video feature. I uploaded a picture and wrote a simple prompt like, "This girl is walking outside by the river." And the result? It generated a smooth, realistic video based on my prompt. Incredible, right? So what are you waiting for? Try it out now, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next video. Let's keep creating magic together.